So JavaScript events, which is the hello, visible, sorry, audible, right?
ఇప్పుడే నాని ఫోన్
So
చేసి
in
అడిగా
this JavaScript events, in the JavaScript events are the action performs happens like browser clicking on key, press key down, and when the page is loaded, that also we call it as events actually. So in the events, when we are clicking on the button, it is redirecting to the one page to another page, that will be call it as the events as well. So in that events, I want to execute some program using HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well. So I have written some program here so that I have saved the extension using .html. And after that, I have given the page title here, that will be events, and here the h2 in the JavaScript example I have given in the second highest heading tag here. So here after that, button on click. In this button on click, I am going to giving the one on click button name. So here I am going to take, that will be the message here, and after that events is coming, and after that click. So the button name I am going to give the click. So see here, just a static button is came here. After that, I need perform some action here. For that, I will write the some logic using this one. So click me I will take here. So the click me here happens using the script tag. Script, in this script we need to write the some logic using function. So here that will be the function, named function I am going to use here. What is the function name here? I have given the function name, that will be the display message. So this will be the display message I have given here, and after that I want to write some logic here. So document dot get by id. So I want to get the id. So here I didn't give any id here, so just normally I am giving the static data using result. Okay, so result. So here inner HTML I need to write the some message here. Okay, so that will be you clicked the button, you clicked the button here. Okay, so I want to execute this one. Action is not performing anything here. So document dot get by dot id. So we will see. So sorry, I didn't write any here message, so I am writing one message using p tag here. So in the p tag I am taking one id here, so id will be the unique, right? So this id I am going to providing here, so that id will be present over there. Okay, so like this id. So we will see now, it will be present the message or not, we will see now. Okay, refresh the browser, and now you can take. So what happened? You clicked me the button. So this type of actions will be present using events. Are you getting my point? or else you can take another event, something else here. So alert message also you can give as you can give using this button. So button on click, on click alert. Okay, on click alert. After that you can add button. Okay, so else button, button clicked, button clicked. So I want to close this one. Here. Okay, so clicked, click. So alert message like this it will be formed. Are you getting my point?